Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Maidment Madness. In today's video, we will be installing a genuine Yamaha USB DC outlet for the MT-07. And this is the same for the MT-09. Now, as I understand, this small white connector here will plug straight into a pre-wired auxiliary port on the bike. So, without further ado, let's crack on with the installation. So before we jump into the installation of the USB DC outlet, just wanted to show you how to quickly top up your SCOTTOIL into the system on your bike. Okay, so that was simple enough. Let's move on to the installation of the USB outlet. So first things first, I just need to remove the touring screen and the rear seat and the side panel, so we have some exposure to where we can route the cable into the auxiliary port. Let's get it. So now the side panel is off, we have now exposed the auxiliary port that we'll be using. So you can see this here. This is a dummy system, and then that's the port we'll be using. In order to proceed though, I will first loosen off 2 bolts behind the dash so we can actually mount the USB charger there. Okay, so at this stage we've got the USB itself mounted just behind the dash. Now what I'm going to do is find the best route I can and then show you guys how I've done it using cable ties, and then hopefully it all should work. So let's get to it. Okay, good news, installation complete. What I had to do is route the cabling behind the cowl, so behind the headlight basically. So we've got it here, attached, running down, as you can see, running down to here. I've actually cable tied there, cable tied just up in there. But yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to frantically do a time lapse before the sun sets, get everything back together, and then we'll do a quick switch on so you can see how everything looks when we're complete. Okay, so I just finished putting the bike back together. Now I can show you when we turn the power on, because this is only linked to the ignition, which is good, so it doesn't drain your battery, nothing like that. I'll show you what it looks like. So, just get the bike on. There you go. You can see there's a small blue light there, and yeah, it works perfectly. If you like this video, please do give it a like and subscribe if you're new. Let me know your thoughts about the installation. I think it went fairly well, and all the links to the parts are in the description as always. Thank you very much guys, see you in the next one, peace.